Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and tonight's video is just a couple of little tidbits on text to path. When you have this text is on this path, but I can grab one of the handles and I can pull it out and it'll spread out the letters just like the shape tool would do, or you could make it smaller. Or if we want this path to be closer to this center circle, hold down your shift key and grab both of them. And then while your shift key is held down, bring that path in, and then you could get it like right on top of that line. And they're not in the perfect center, but you see what I'm talking about. I was holding down the shift key and getting that. But once these are both selected, you can grow the text in and out. But if you just have the text selected, sometimes it won't let you just do it. There it is right there. Then you could spread your words out around the, amazingly far, too far, where it's not even readable. But anyway, that's two tidbits on text to path. Hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.